Hi guys! Today we are learning how to check your Netflix household and see which devices are connected to your account. First, unlock your phone and open the Netflix app. Then, select your profile to sign in. Once your account is open, tap My Netflix at the bottom right of the screen. Now, tap your profile name in the top left corner. A menu with different options will appear. From the available options, tap Account to open your Netflix account settings. Scroll down until you find Manage Access and Devices, then tap on it to view all the devices currently signed in to your Netflix account. If prompted, choose to verify your identity using your email or a verification code. Enter the code and tap Submit to continue. After verification, you'll see the devices that are connected to your Netflix account. Review the list carefully to make sure you recognize them. If you find a device you don't recognize, tap Sign Out next to it to remove its access to your Netflix account. And that's how you can check your Netflix household and manage the devices connected to your account. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.